Dear God, I really don't know how to pray, so I wrote this rhyme just like what I'd say. As of today, I'm at your will. I got open wounds festering, needing to heal. So much anger and pain. All my real G's locked up and getting slain. Working 2 jobs and still barely maintain. Don't wanna backslide into these streets. Tell my dad I miss him, sorry for being out in these streets. Done so much dirt, I can barely sleep. These are my confessions over this beat. Ever since I hurt my mama and Lysandra, nothing but pain and girls with Jerry Springer drama. And that's what I get for not counting my blessings. I'm tired of losing it, learning hard lessons. Allow God to move my feet in His directions and the power to leave my enemies split in sections. Please keep me calm and away from my weapons, trying not to move in hate and make moves with discretion. And forgive me cause I lusted women with mad aggression. Underwater, come up free, watch from sin. I repent, won't go there again. Heart so black, I let nobody in. Dear God, help me, without you I won't win. Underwater, come up, watch free from sin. I repent, can't go there again. Heart so black, I let nobody in. Dear God, please help me, without you I won't win. Dear God, really don't know how to pray, so I wrote this rhyme just like what I'd say. I never meant to hurt or mistreat no one. Just wanted my parents proud of their last born son. And to rest in peace, knowing the achievements I've done. Battle, hating, overcome, damn near popped in a lick. 7 years had to run, finna break now. And so I've come to a decision. Lord, make me your vision. Too much time passing, crying on the inside, wishing. God, show me what I've been missing and why everything around me trying to stop my mission. Need forgiveness of sins while fighting the devil's henchmen. Eating noodles every day ain't proper nutrition. Won't move my feet.